In this video, we're gonna see how do you upload or change your logo on Google My Business page. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. So here's the Google My Business page of one of our clients that we manage. And I'm talking about this logo right here, this small thing right here. This was outdated. We had a logo from like many years ago, and then we updated it, and here is all the steps. So what you're going to do is go to log into your Google My Business, and since we manage several different pages, they're here, but this is the business that we're talking about. So first thing I'll say, a lot of times you're going to click on this edit, this pencil icon, and try to update the business information. But guess what? For some reason, the logo is not here. That's the first thing I kind of checked a while ago when I didn't know how to update the logo. So what you have to do is we're going to click on this Google My Business page, and here is the back end of this Google My Business page, and then you're going to go to Photos. Yes, go inside Photos, and if you scroll down, here are different photos that we have uploaded for this business. Look at these two options right here. This is the cover and this is the logo. So if you didn't have any logo, it'll just be blank here. Now if you want to update this logo, just click on this pencil icon, and then you're able to drag a photo or upload a photo, a logo from your computer. So simple, right? Thank you so much for watching. Do share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.